Hi, Shell here from Shell's Craft Corner. Today I thought we would try and use up those 6x6 papers, because if you're anything like me, I've got stacks of 6x6 papers, and yes, you can just stick it on and you can mat it, but I've come up with, this was one piece of 6x6 paper. I cut the strips so that I've got 6 pieces and these 2 pieces. And then all I had to do was swap the pattern. I've got another one for you today, and I'm going to show you how to make this one. So I'll get ready and I'll show you how to make that one. So for this, it's a 6x6 piece of card basically. This is 5 1/4, and all I've done is cut it in half, and this was 5 cut in half. And basically all I'm going to do is, you could pick whichever pattern you want. You could have the gingham, or this like hexagon, and I'm just gonna, we just need to leave a little edge on each piece. And we're just gonna mat them on. So then we've got our mats, and then you'll have a little strip left. Like I said, I'll put all the sizes on my blog. Carding, and I'm just gonna place that there. And on here. So we've got ourselves like a 2 sandwiches, as I call them, triangle sandwiches. Oh, I've got a Merry Christmas. You just want a sentiment that's actually going to fit in your piece that's left. I'm just going to stamp on there. Now I think what I'll do is I will stick this one down. And then I'll get some, might just take a whole strip. Them on there. Then you have a choice. You can have your card that way or that way. I think I'll go with this way. So I'm going to bring my card in, pop that across there, and there we have our card. Very quick, very simple, and a great way to get rid of all those 6x6 pieces of paper. So there we have just 3 cards using our 6x6 papers up. Like I said, those 2 were made from 1 sheet of 6x6. Oh, sorry. Those two were made with my sheet of 6x6. That was made with a sheet of 6x6. Like I said, I will put everything on my blog, so if you could like and subscribe, that makes me happy. If you push the little bell, that will tell you when I next upload something. Like I said, all the sizes of how to cut your pieces of 6x6 down like this will be on my blog at shellbower.blogspot.com. And until next time, bye bye for now.